So this is a quick video on navigating the Google slide deck that will tell you lesson information and links to all the lesson videos. So when you're in here, if you notice there's all these different lessons. So if I click on a particular lesson, let's say I go to 3.4 notes. So this top one is the hot link. If I click on that, it will take me into all the lesson pages. So I can click through here. As I click through, it will take me through the pages. If I'm tired of this lesson, up here in the corner is a home button. Click home. It should take you back to the main screen. If it does not, just click through again. So 3.1a. So click to the next page and then home should work. Somewhere in here will be lesson videos. So on this particular lesson, all the lesson videos on a particular page. So if I look, I'll have lesson videos and they will have little arrows or so on. So obviously these aren't very large. So if you want to see a particular lesson, and you want to see it bigger, when you access that lesson, just double click the lesson and it will show you that lesson as a full screen. To get out of any page, hit the escape key up on the upper left. So that's a quick overview of the slide deck. So when you're done, you should be back in your Canvas module and then you can go to what you need to go to. Also at the end of the lesson pages, so like this one, when I click, obviously now I'm in a next lesson. So if I'm going back, the end of this lesson, there will be a link to the assignment page. So if I click that, it will be in Canvas and it will take me to the lesson pages. So that's another way to get to your lesson pages. Have fun.